So in building awareness of social media, we need to be aware of protecting our youth from the harms and from the violent videos that can come. Maybe in building awareness, we're able to form an opt-in policy that requires parental supervision and confirmation of the content in which their youth are subscribing to. And also, as I stated previously, building that awareness around how rumors and things can be spread on social media, such as playing the telephone game, and really focusing on how rumors are spread. You have to go back to the source to confirm things. You can't just believe everything you see. There's a lack of power the government has over media and exercising of the free speech. And our First Amendment of the Constitution states that Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise there's of abridging the freedom of speech or press or the right of people peaceably to assemble and petition the government. And with that being said, when you take away somebody's exercise of free speech, then the government has to get involved. So in having the freedom of speech to post these negative videos, there needs to be some sort of context in when is a negative taking it too far, and when can the government maybe step in and have to remove monetization or remove the video as a whole. So, social media is taking over our society so fast, and it's really up to us to make sure that in being media literate, we are educating ourselves and others on the truth behind the media. So thank you for listening to my presentation today. I really enjoyed this Intro to Media Studies class, and hope that everybody has a great future ahead of them. Here are my references. Thank you.